You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the name of this Japanese originally basketball player with the Lakers at the moment. The Japanese pronunciation first and how you can say it easily in English. Hachimura Rui, or that's how they pronounce it in Japan, with the surname first, Hachimura Rui, or Rui Hachimura. In English, however, in the US it's usually said rather simply Rui Hachimura. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.